What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. Today's episode, another gear review. And kind of special to me, this is my first riding vest. A lot of you guys know, I haven't actually been riding that long. I've ridden a lot of motorcycles already, and variants of motorcycles from small cc, from 125cc to almost 1900cc. You know, that's just the name of the game. It's what I love to do. I love going out there. I love demo riding. I love big bikes. I love the bobber. You know, it's got two wheels on it, man. I'm having fun. And I think that's the best way to have this. And one of the reasons I'm out there having fun with my vest. I love wearing my vest. It makes me feel comfortable. It's not something I need like my cut or anything like that. That's not how I look at this at all. It's got good protection on the back. And here, if you saw my flannel video, my flannel has Kevlar lining, and I usually wear that underneath this, depending on temperature, stuff like that. So there's a lot of good layers and protection of different things. This has got my back covered and a few other areas. I am a bigger guy. This is a chubby guy review video after all. 4XL, very comfortable. It's got the extenders on each side, which make it very nice. If you're a bigger guy, you know sometimes you can go eat something and feel pretty big afterwards. We've all been at Thanksgiving dinner and went, oh man, how many pant sizes did I grow? Well, if you go to sushi or Chinese or something crazy, you might get that same feeling. So those always help out. Enough of that, I kid. I got my Indian Scout patch on there that I put on there, and my pins. I like my pins a lot. I've got my Tiny Rick, because, fuck it, it's Tiny Rick. My Indian pin right there. My daughter loves Peter Pan, so I found this cute pin. I said cute. It's my oldest daughter. She gets that, all right? And my grape soda pin. Me and my lady really like the up and the whole adventure and all that stuff, so we both have one. It goes really good. Even my pop's got one. Likes to take my ideas. It's okay. It's cool stuff, right? It's not even my idea. It's Bombshell's idea. But you guys aren't here for that. You probably clicked on it because it's a gear review video. Or just because of me. You guys are awesome. Now we have one inner pocket over here. These are just pen locks. I lost the Tiny Rick pen before, so had to replace them. You got the big padding right here for the upper back. Very comfortable. Don't even know it's there most of the time, but it's got a decent thickness to it. That'll help protect that upper back. Nice little padding here in the shoulders on both ends, so it gives it a good fit with also giving you decent protection. This isn't something that's all about protection. It's a good material. It feels great, but I usually layer up. You get the Kevlar from like my Scorpion vest, aligned on the arms, my fly gloves. All these things come together to make one awesome piece. I may not always wear my flannel underneath, but it's just personal preference. And I'm not here to tell you what to wear. I'm letting you know, if you're a bigger guy and you want to check out some vests, Highway 21 has a really good vest for you. A few different ones. So it's something I'd recommend checking out. If you're local and you're near Chaparral, they have a few different ones in a bigger, tall area. So I'd also check that out because that was very helpful in the decision making on getting my Highway 21 vests. So there's not much else to say about that. Just a really good vest. Got some good pockets here in the front. You can see, get a big old hand in here. Easily carries cell phone. And, I mean, most of the time that's what we're throwing in there because it zips up, makes it where we don't have to worry about it. And that's always nice, not making sure it's going to fall out of your damn pocket. Because that's what the world spins around now on this little device right here. All right, you guys. You already know what's coming. Stay safe. Stay classy. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm always taking suggestions on different material, not necessarily saying I'm going to be able to go buy it because, you know, I'm not, you know, dropping money everywhere I go. But, you know, it's always nice to know for us like bigger guys what fits comfortably And everybody's body shape's different, of course. Broad shoulders, chubby guy. That's what it's about. All right.